Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for Medicare online. First, ensure you meet the eligibility requirements. Generally, you can apply for Medicare Part A and Part B online if you are approaching 65 and not already receiving Social Security or Railroad Retirement Board benefits. The application window opens 3 months before your 65th birthday, includes your birthday month, and extends 3 months after, totaling 7 months. Before you begin the online application, gather all necessary documents. You'll need your Social Security number, your birth certificate, and proof of U.S. citizenship or legal residency. Additionally, be prepared to provide information about your employment history and current income. Having these details on hand will make the application process much smoother and quicker, preventing any delays. Now, let's walk through the online application. Navigate to the official Social Security Administration website. Look for the section dedicated to Medicare enrollment and begin your application. Carefully fill out each section of the form, providing accurate details. Take your time to review all the information you've entered before clicking Submit to ensure everything is correct and complete. Once you've submitted your application, you'll receive a confirmation number. Keep this number safe for your records. The Social Security Administration will then process your application, and you can expect your official Medicare card to arrive in the mail within a few weeks. While you wait, check out the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. We hope this guide helps you easily sign up for Medicare online.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.